turn when I roll up, spin around like a donut. Got a feeling that I can't lose. Girl, Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin, and tonight we're going to talk about a series that we're going to do, how to have flawless skin. And I'm going to do 1 of 4 videos teaching you how to have flawless skin. One of the first things you want to make sure that you're doing to have flawless skin is that you want to make sure that you are on a good skincare routine. Sure that you're doing having a cleanser and a moisturizer, and that you're exfoliating and hydrating your skin. One of the products that I use is that I use the Timewise 3D Miracle Set by Mary Kay, and I also use the Mary Kay Natural line.
You have tuned in to the Catherine M. Gage Show, aka KGbeautywithin, author, beauty influencer, motivational speaker, and YouTube creator. And don't forget to subscribe.
There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it? We got the move. 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 Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I got something you can't explain. Can you feel it? In the physical kind of way. Can you feel it? Something magic inside my veins. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it? We got the move. 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 Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Heads turn when I roll up, spin around like a donut. Got a feeling that I can't lose. Show it off like it's new shoes. I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In the metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it? Buzzing like a beehive, sky high on the good vibes, jump in, you can come too, just tell me what you wanna do, yeah. I got something you can't explain, la 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 la, in the metaphysical kind of way, la 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins, la 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing, I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it? rising.
Can you feel it?